Please note this video is only here for reference. To continue the course, please skip this video. When we set up a Jackrabbit account, a WordPress site was already set up for you automatically, so you don't need to create a new WordPress site. So why am I making this video? With Jackrabbit, you can set up multiple websites on the same account without paying an additional monthly fee. So you don't need to create a new Jackrabbit account if you want to create a new site. And since you're not going to create a new Jackrabbit account, a new site won't automatically be set up for you. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a new WordPress site using Cpanel in case you want to create a new site later. So to create a new site, first you want to make sure that you have a new domain registered. And if you haven't already registered a new domain, you can do that by hovering over domains in the menu and clicking on register a new domain. Once you have a new domain registered, you need to add that domain to your hosting account, and you need to tell that hosting account where your domain should look for the website files. So to add your domain to your account, click on Add on Domains. And here for the new domain name, enter the domain that you just registered. And when you click away, everything will be automatically populated for you. You can leave your subdomain as it is, but we do need to change the document root in order to organize and keep your website files secure. So for the document root, this is the folder that your website files will be stored in. So here we want to put public_HTML /www/ and then you could put your website domain name here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my domain name, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that here. And once you've set the document root, go ahead and click on Add Domain. Okay, the add-on domain has been created, so let's go back and I'll show you what that looks like. And down here under add-on domains, you can see that you have your domain, and your domain is pointing to a specific folder inside of your file manager. So now when you install a WordPress website, this is the folder that you'll be installing your files into. So let's go ahead and install our website. So to do that, you can go ahead and close this tab. That'll take us to the Jackrabbit dashboard. And then over here to the right, you can click on the cPanel icon, and that'll take you to your full cPanel. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and underneath the Softaculous Apps Installer section, you'll see the WordPress icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then you'll click on Install Now. Here where it says Choose Protocol, if you've just registered a domain, then your SSL probably hasn't automatically been set up on that domain yet, so you might not be able to choose HTTPS at this point. And if not, that's okay. Go ahead and choose HTTP. We can set up HTTPS later, and I show you how to do that later in this course. But since my SSL certificate has already been installed on my domain, I'm going to go ahead and leave this as HTTPS. And then you can go ahead and choose which domain you want to install WordPress on. So I'm going to leave clintgorman.com checked. And you want to make sure that you remove anything inside of the directory field. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the WP. For the site name, go ahead and give your site a title. So mine's going to be Clint Store. And for the site description, this is your site tagline. I'm going to put every little thing. For the admin username, make sure you use something that's not common. So for example, common usernames might be admin or support. I like to just put my first name, so I'm going to put Clint here. For the admin password, make sure you use a strong password. For the admin email, I'm going to use the email that I created for my new domain. You can leave everything else alone. If you'd like to email installation details to yourself, you can go ahead and put your email here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Install. And that's all there is to it. Your website has been successfully set up. So to verify your website has been installed, you can open up your website in a new tab. And this is the default WordPress theme. And to access your website login, you can go to your URL /wp-admin, or you can just open up this URL in a new tab, and that'll log you directly into WordPress.